Hello and welcome back. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to create these two effects in SoundSwitch for a circular truss that you may have at one of your shows or venues. Keep in mind that this technique can be applied to both moving heads and par LEDs. For this tutorial, we'll be using 10 movers. Create an 8-bar auto loop with the color set to white and the intensity at 100%. Add your position cue, we're using one of our master positions, at the beginning and the end of the track. If you're not familiar with master positions, you can learn more about them in our previous tutorials. Feel free to check them out before continuing. Now select the first 5 movers and apply a 1/8 chase effect. This will create the clockwise chasing movement for the first half of your fixtures. Next, select the last 5 movers and apply a 1/8 reverse chase effect instead. This makes the second half move in the opposite direction, creating a smooth and balanced circular effect around the truss. Now let's create the second effect. Start by creating another 8-bar auto loop with the intensity set to 100% and your desired color. Next, go to the Chase Effects section and select the Alternate Chase effect. Apply the effect to all 10 movers. Then click on the effect to open its settings. In the pop-up window, set the speed to 1/8, the light count to 2, and leave the chase pattern set to diagonal. Finally, add your master position cue at the beginning and the end of the track, then play the effect to see the result.
Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more SoundSwitch tutorials. Thanks for your support, and I'll see you in the next one.